Hello and welcome to the very most video of this channel. Potentially, I am here for one thing: numbers. Numbers are one thing everybody likes. Some of you may hate it, but hey, who doesn't like numbers? So I may be here explaining numbers. Not actually, but I may be telling you numbers. For example, perfect numbers. I will tell you all the perfect numbers that exist. And here I go. 6, 26, 496, 8128, 33550 858986 9056, 13743899132 8, 23058, 430081, 3995228, 26584559915698317446554692615953842176 19156 194 26082 36107 9479337 8084 3036381309997 3215481699216. Thank you. Now it's time for the second weird numbers. 70 836 4030 5830 7192 9272 10430 10570 10990 11410 11610 12110 12530 127 12670 13370 13510 13790 13930 1447 70 15610 15890 16830 16310 16730 16870 17272 17570 17990 18410 18830 18830 18970 19390 19670. Thank you. Now it's time for the third pseudo perfect numbers or semi perfect numbers or pseudo perfect numbers or semi perfect numbers. You may be thinking I didn't define them, or what are these numbers? So, perfect numbers are those numbers 6, 12, 18, 20, 24, 28, 30, 36, 40, 42, 48, 54, 56, 60, 66, 72, 78, 80, 84, 88, 90, 96, 100, 102, 104, 108, 112, 114, 120, 126, 132, 138, 140, 144, 150, 198, 200, 204, 208, 210, 216, 220, 222, 224, 228, 234, 240, 246, 252, 258, 260, 264. So, another numbers, a Smith number or a joke number are numbers. Search it on Wikipedia. Yeah. And those are 4, 22, 27, 58, 85, 94, 121, 166, 202, 265, 274, 319, 346, 355, 378, 382 391 438 454 3517 526 535 562 576 588 634 636 645 648 852 861 895 and more. 913 915 922 958 985 1086 1111 1165. If you like this video, and if you like to subscribe, and if you like this video, and subscribe, please, subscribe. Now, social numbers, we all like these numbers. I'm trying to make this shit interesting, bro. I am trying. Just stay with me. 12496 14316 1264460 2115 324 278 4580 and another and there are more, and I'm going to jump to the last one because it's not that I'm lazy and I can't say all this. It's just in the last one there is something good. You will feel it. If you didn't feel it, you are lying. You will feel it. Something good, bro. You will feel it. I am telling you. Look, listen to this. 1 7 9 9 2 8 1 3 3 0. We have come to the conclusion of our video. I'm going to show you one last location, and then after this clap, we have come to an end. The beginning of an end. The end of a beginning. I don't know how it. We have come to a beginning, a new start, a fresh start. If you have some problems in your life, face it. And they are going to smack you in the face, and then you will cry, but you will cope up with it. It's like coping mechanism. I don't know that shit, bro. I'm not a psychologist. Go to nature and enjoy this. Enjoy the water, the flowing water, always flowing water. Enjoy the trees. Show him the trees book. Enjoy the trees. Enjoy everything. Enjoy the sky. This was an end. This is the end of a begin. This is the beginning of an end. This is the end of. Bro, this is the beginning of the beginning. Yes, now, yes. You love dogs. We love dogs. Everyone is a dog. What else? Enjoy this nature. And subscribe.